And what's more classic than a trusty pair of jeans? We've all got a pair or two, or 10, tucked away in our drawers. Maybe a little worn, maybe a tad too snug. Well, instead of letting them gather dust, we're going to transform them into stylish accessories. That's right, those faded patches and well-loved seams. They tell a story, and we're going to make them part of something new and beautiful. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting out, I promise you these projects are fun, easy, and will add a touch of rustic charm to your life. So grab your scissors, thread, and that pile of denim you've been meaning to sort through. Start by laying your jeans flat and snipping off those legs. We'll put those aside for later projects. No waste here. Now turn those jeans inside out and stitch up the bottom opening. Once that's secure, it's time to give our tote some handles. You can use the leftover denim from the legs or get creative with fabric scraps, old belts, or even rope. Sew them on securely and voila! You've got yourself a sturdy and stylish tote bag, perfect for shopping trips, beach days, or just carrying your everyday essentials. Zipper. It can be a small one, about the width of your pocket, and stitch it along the top opening of your pocket. Once the zipper is secure, sew up the sides and turn your pouch right side out, and there you have it. A charming little pouch for coins, earbuds, or even a little lipstick. I love how these turn out. A trendy scrunchie, cut a long strip of lightweight denim from your jeans. You'll want it about 3 inches wide and as long as the leg allows. Fold it in half lengthwise, sew along the raw edge and turn it right side out. Thread a piece of elastic through the tube, tie the ends together securely and tuck the raw edges inside, instant style. And for a boho chic headband, braid 3 strips of denim together and stitch or knot the ends. Long strips of denim from your jeans, braid them together, twist them into cords or even knot them for a textured look. Once you have a length you like, stitch or glue the ends together to form a bracelet. Now for the fun part. Add a clasp, string on some beads or sew on a vintage button for a unique closure. You can even layer these bracelets with others for a cool, eclectic vibe. Let's add a little denim edge to your jewelry collection with some DIY earrings. Cut out small shapes from your jeans. Think circles, feathers, triangles, or get creative with your own designs. You can add a little embroidery, stitch on some beads, or use fabric paint to personalize them. Once your denim shapes are ready, use a hole punch to make a small hole near the top. Attach earring hooks using jump rings. You can find these at any craft store, and there you have it. Unique and stylish earrings that are sure to turn heads. Time for a practical project that's perfect for beginners. For a custom phone or sunglasses case, cut 2 rectangular pieces of denim, slightly larger than your phone or glasses. Sew 3 sides together, leaving the top open. Now, add a layer of felt or soft fabric inside for padding. Fold over the top edge and stitch it down, leaving an opening for your button, snap, or Velcro closure. And there you have it. A personalized case that's both stylish and protective. Cut out small squares, circles, or any shape you like from your jeans. You can layer them, overlap them, or even create patterns. Use fabric glue or a needle and thread to attach the patches to your shoes. For extra flair, add studs, stitch on some embroidery thread, or use iron-on designs to create stars, hearts, or any design you can dream. These denim keychains make the sweetest little gifts or a fun treat for yourself. For a classic tassel keychain, cut thin strips of denim and bundle them together. Tie a piece of twine around one end, fold the bundle in half, and then tie another piece of twine around the top, forming the tassel head. For a rosette keychain, tightly roll a long thin strip of denim, securing with glue along the way. Once you reach the end, glue the bottom to the roll to create a flower shape. Attach a keyring to either design and use equal-sized circles or squares from your jeans. For added sturdiness and a pop of color, cut matching shapes from felt and layer them underneath the denim. Sew around the edges of each coaster using a sewing machine or by hand. You can add decorative stitching, embroidery, or even fabric paint for a personalized touch. Cut out various shades of denim into squares or rectangles and arrange them in a geometric pattern on a canvas. Secure with fabric glue or a staple gun. You can also create a denim banner by cutting out a long strip of denim and stitching a quote, word, or design onto it. Or piece together different denim scraps, pockets and seams to create a patchwork. Who knew those old jeans had so much life left in them? I just love how these projects bring a bit of that rustic, handmade touch to your home and wardrobe. It's all about finding beauty in the unexpected and giving new life to the things we love. Remember, don't be afraid to get creative and add your own personal spin to each project. Whether you're using colourful threads, vintage buttons, or adding your own embroidery, it's those little touches that make each piece truly your own. So gather up those denim scraps, invite a friend over, and let's get crafting. Happy DIYing, y'all!